Good morning, everyone. Hello, it's Miss Kendra from Learn and Play Montessori School. I'm feeling good today. How are you? Really awesome? Fantastic. Before we get started, today is Friday. So who are we going to see today? Yeah, that's right. We're going to see Miss Kelly today, now. And we're gonna see Miss Kelly later for some yoga. Are you ready for that? And just in case we don't have that yoga information, you'll be able to find that in a reminder email that you get today. Okay? Awesome, I'm excited for that. And next Monday is going to be the first day of school. August 17th is gonna be the first day of our full school year program, okay? Awesome, tell your friends. We'd love to get everyone registered. We want more and more friends all the time, okay? Let's take a look at the calendar. We know today is Friday, which means yesterday was what day? Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday, thank you. And today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. So it is Friday. We move forward to the 14th. Do you know what month it is? What month is it? August. It is August, that's right. So we are at Friday, August 14th, 2020. Excellent job. Let's go take a look at some math. We're gonna start with some addition today. You guys remember our addition? Good. And then we're gonna jump back into our subtraction. So let's put our name up top first. And the date. So the math that we see today is going to be very different from what we see next Monday. We have a whole new curriculum for us to begin. So let's look at these first pictures on the top. We see adorable little pink, what? Elephants. Some elephants. So let's count the elephants and see how many we have all together. Let's start over here in this first box. 1, 2, are you counting with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 elephants over here. And how many are over here? 1, 2, 3. So we are adding 9 plus 3. Altogether we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's trace the number 12 over here. They gave that one to us. And let's count these roosters. You ready with me? How many are in this first box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 roosters are in here. I'm going to write a little 8 here so I don't forget. And let's take a look at the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 roosters. So we are adding 8 plus 7. Are you ready to put those all together? Yeah? Okay, let's count. We have 8 over here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 roosters total. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Now, these look like a colorful ostrich or a peacock that is relaxed. What do you think it is? Colorful ostrich, totally. Let's count these colorful ostriches. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are over here. Plus how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 over here. 10 plus 7. How are we going to count that? We're going to put it together or take things away? Together. Yes. We're going to put them together. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Excellent job, you guys. Let's finish the next one later. Let's take a look at these problems here. Are these addition or subtraction? Subtraction, that's right. We see that symbol, the subtraction symbol. Let's write our names up top and the date. Okay, these instructions say draw an X on the beads to subtract and solve the math problem. So on the first one, we can see the math problem is 8 minus 3. So we have 8 beads, and we crossed out 3. So how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads left. 8 minus 3 leaves us with 5. Now we have 9 beads over here, and the problem is what? Can you read this to me? 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. We need to cross out how many beads? 6. Yeah, we cross out however many we minus. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we crossed out 6. How many do we have left? 9 minus 6 equals 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3 left. 9 minus 6 is 3. Excellent. Let's do one more on this page, and then we're going to jump over to our next math page. We have 6 beads here, minus how many? Minus 2. How many are we going to cross out? 2. Excellent. 1, 2. Now how many do we have left? Do we count this? Do we count these here? No, we cross those out. Let's count how many we have left. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Great work, you guys. Don't forget to finish these later, but let's take a look at one more subtraction worksheet with some bigger numbers. Is your name at the top already? You're good to go? Fantastic. So we are taking away from the number 11 today. The first one is 11 minus 2. So how many counters do we cross out? 11 minus 2? 1, 2. And how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. So we're starting with 11 everywhere on this worksheet. Now we're going to minus 9. 11 minus 9. How many circles do we cross out here? Minus 9. We cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was a lot of them. What do we have left? 11 minus 9. How many do not have crosses? 1, 2. 2 left. 11 minus 9 is 2. Excellent. Let's take a look at 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. How many circles are we going to cross out? 8. Thank you. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many do we have left now? 1, 2, 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. Great job. Let's try one more on this page, and then we're going to go take a look at things that are bigger and smaller. Okay, let's try this next one below that. 11 minus 7. How many are we going to cross out here? Awesome, that's right, 7. When we are minusing, we're going to cross that number out. I'm going to take it away. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 left. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Good job. Okay, I'm going to leave the rest for us to finish later, but we have... Do you have this worksheet with you too? Well, that's awesome. Let's put our name up top. And let's read these directions. This is about things that are bigger and smaller. So each box has its own direction. Let's read the first one. This says, circle the big shape. Circle the big shape. So do you recognize what triangle is bigger? Is it the one on the left or the right? What are we going to circle? What is bigger? Oh, the right triangle. Let's circle the bigger triangle here. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna pick another one to do. How about purple squares? Purple squares. This direction says circle the small shape. Circle the small shape. Which one is smaller, the left side or the right side? The right side. Yeah, that one is smaller. Circle the small shape. Okay. So be sure to look at the directions in each box very carefully if we're going to circle the big one or the small one. Okie dokes? Okay, let's finish this one later and let's take a look at our bigger, smaller. So these are numbers, and we need to indicate if they are bigger or smaller. Let's take a look at these directions. Compare the numbers on each row. Draw a greater than or less than sign to show if the number on the right is bigger than or smaller than the number on the left. So when we want to show a number is bigger, we make our alligator look like it's eating the big number. Do you think an alligator wants to eat one apple or so many apples? Yeah, so many apples. So the greater sign, the symbol, like in this direction, is going to be open to the bigger number. Okay, so we need to figure out what number is bigger. And then we can write our greater than or less than symbol in the box. I have my alligator here to indicate what is greater or less than. So numbers 7 and 5. Which number is bigger? Which number is greater? Which number has more counters? Yeah, 7 has more. So when we see 7 is greater than 5, we will put the greater than symbol. Because this alligator wants 7 apples. Does not want 5 apples. He wants the bigger number. So it's open to the bigger number. Let's draw that symbol here. Excellent. Let's take a look at the next two numbers. What is greater? 9 or 6? Is 9 greater than or less than 6? Does this alligator want to eat 9 apples or 6 apples? Yeah, 9 is bigger. I want 9 apples. I don't want 6 apples. I want 9 apples. Let's put the greater than symbol. Superb. How about the next numbers? 10 or 8? What if it is candy? Would you want 10 candies or 8 candies? We can answer this one, right? You want 10 candies or 8 candies? Which is more? Which is greater? Is this alligator gonna be greater than or less than? Greater than. We want 10 candies. No thanks. I want 10. Do you think our bodies want 10 candies? No. What do your bodies want? 10 vegetables. Yeah. How about 7 and 5? Do we want 7 ice creams or 5 ice creams? Which one is greater? Which one has more? Is 5 more? You want to have 5 ice creams or 7 ice creams? 7. Definitely 7. Let's put the greater than symbol. Okay, let's look at the last one. We have number 6 and 10. Now, what do you think this alligator wants? Is 6 greater than 10? Do you want 6 candies or 10 candies? Yeah, I'd rather have 10 small, tiny, healthy candies. Right? So 6 is less than 10. 6 is less than 10. So we'll put the symbol like this. because this alligator wants 10. 6 is less than 10. 7 is greater than 5. Right? Greater than, less than. Greater than, less than. Really great job, you guys. Okay, before we get to singing, let's take a look at our beginning and ending sounds. We talked a lot about this vowel. What is this vowel that we see here? That's our A. Yeah, what's that letter sound? A. Ah. Ah. That's right. Okay. So these directions are say each picture and listen to the beginning and ending sounds in the words. Write the beginning and ending sound for each picture. Okay, let's do that. What are we looking at here? That is a cat. A cat. A cat. Do you hear that beginning and ending sound when we say cat? Cat. What is that beginning sound? K. That's right. Let's write that sound. K. Good job. Okay, and what's the ending sound of cat? There's another k. Cat. T, t. Yes, the t sound. Let's write that sound on the line. Yeah, we're going to put a letter T for the t sound. Here we're looking at a bag. A bag. That's right, a bag. What's the beginning sound you hear in bag? Awesome. B. Bag. B. Let's put the B sound first. Now we have ba. What's the ending sound of bag? G. G. Yeah, what letter makes that sound? Yeah, let's write that here on the line. Bag. G. G. Letter G. Let's do one more sound here, and then we will sing a song. Okay, how about this cool? What is that? It's not a bus. That's a van. A van. What is the beginning sound of van? Van. What do you hear? Is it a D? D? Dan? Or van? What is that beginning sound? V, v, v. Good. What letter makes that sound? V. V, a V. V. And what's the ending sound of van? N. Let's write our letter N for ending sound of van. Okay. And don't forget to finish the rest of your words here. I'm sorry if the video stops. We're going to keep going, okay? All right, let's sing a song together. Do you guys remember what community helper did we talk about on Tuesday? Yesterday we talked about the bank teller, somebody who deposits the money, right? And on Tuesday we talked about the animal doctor. What are they called? What is their job? The veterinarian. That's right, or the vet. Let's sing our veterinarian song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm a vet, I'm a vet, I'm a veterinarian. I take care of the animals and I treat them one by one. I give shots, I set legs, and sometimes I operate. I take care of the animals, 'cause I think they are just great. Bring your dogs, bring your cats, bring your hamsters one by one. I take care of the animals. I'm a veterinarian. Thanks for singing that with me. Do you happen to have some scissors and some glue? Let's put our urinary system together. You ready to label with me? I hope we have some colors too. So let's put our name up top here. And the date. It's Friday, August 14th. What are we going to be doing later? Miss Kelly has yoga. Miss Kelly has yoga. Am I going to see you there? Awesome. I'm excited to see you there. These directions say color the picture. Cut, paste, and label the parts. So we can see all the way down at the bottom of the paper, our word kidney is a little bit cut off. Let's help that K. I'm going to bring that K back to life. Fantastic. Okay, so first thing is to color the picture. Do you remember what color kidneys are? Kidneys are a brownish purple color. Let's color our kidneys first. I'm going to color my kidneys the brownish purple color. What color are you coloring your kidneys? Oh, is that because they're happy kidneys? Happy, healthy kidneys? Well, that's great news. I'm happy to hear that. And some brown. Kidneys are brownish purple. And what do kidneys do? Clean the blood. That's right. They clean the blood. And then from the kidneys, we can see these tubes. Those are the ureters. Ureters. Let's color the ureters yellow, or any color you like. I'm going to make my ureters yellow. We have how many ureters? We have 2 kidneys, and we have 2 ureters. How about our bladder? How many bladders do we have? Just one. Just one. We can see that the 2 ureters bring everything into the one bladder. Everything into the one bladder. And then, after it's in our bladder, our pee needs to make it to the toilet. So, it has to go through the urethra. That's underneath the bladder, and that's going to take our pee out to the toilet. I made it blue. Great job, you guys. I'm excited that you're using all these fun colors. I'm ready to cut my labels so that I can place them where they belong. Are you guys ready to cut? If not, pause Miss Kendra, get ready, and then press play on Miss Kendra. Okay. And we're always going to be sure to be very careful and cut slow and safely. Are we going to run with the scissors? Never. Sit down and cut slowly with the scissors. Awesome. Okay, let's look at these words here. Ureter. Where does this belong? What color is the ureter on this page? Can you tell me? Yellow, that's right. These are the ureters. Let's paste ureter right there. How about the bladder? What color is the bladder in this picture? Yeah, it's red. Let's put the word bladder here. Okay, what about kidney? What color is the kidney? Brown? Close. Brownish purple? Yeah, these are our kidneys. How many do we have? 2. And last one is the urethra. This is under the bladder. Do you see it here? What color is that? It's a tiny little blue. Let's paste urethra here. You guys, that's fantastic. Excellent job. Now, I'm going to take a walk around here so we can say hello to our wonderful guest. Can you guess who it is? She's a regular around here. It's Miss Kelly. Hello, Miss Kelly.
Hello, Miss Kendra. It's good to see you too.
Well, this week we're talking about the urinary system. What are some awesome things that you know about the urinary system?
Well, I know that it helps to clean our blood. So this is going to help keep our whole body healthy, because if you remember, blood goes everywhere. And so all of that blood will end up going through your kidneys to be cleaned, and then clean blood goes back out to the rest of your body.
Thank you, kidneys.
Yeah, they're awesome.
So, the kidneys do a lot of cleaning our blood. What do they clean out of the blood? Is it like vegetables? What are they cleaning?
So when we're eating our food, our body's digesting, it's absorbing nutrients, and then there's a little bit of waste left over. Some of that waste is going to go out through our intestines, and some gets into the blood. So the kidneys will help clean this waste out, and will pee it out as well.
Thank you, kidneys.
Yeah, they're awesome. Very important.
So, what are some things that we can do to make sure our urinary system and our kidneys are really happy?
Yeah, definitely want to eat healthy food so they don't have to take too much junk out of the body. And you want to drink lots of water. Our bodies are made up of so much water, and especially the blood. So that'll help keep everything moving and everything really healthy.
Awesome. Where in the body are our kidneys? Is it in the front?
They are actually closer to our back.
Oh, where?
Around. So Miss Kendra, like all of you, has ribs that attach to her spine, and the kidneys are right under the ribs, a little bit low on the back here. And if you can imagine, they're sitting here and here on her back, closer to the back.
There's my kidneys.
Yeah.
And your kidneys are back there on you. Mm-hmm. Isn't that interesting? Everything in our body has a special spot. And we want to keep our body moving so everything is comfortable and happy. Mm-hmm. Maybe we should do some yoga. Maybe we should do some yoga with Miss Kelly today at 4:30 on Zoom.
Yep, I'll see you there.
Thanks, Miss Kelly. I'm excited to do yoga with you today. You guys, it's a beautiful day, and it's a beautiful day for yoga. So I'm really excited to see my friends later, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.